Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on TECLAST T60. To remove a widget from home screen, press and hold on it, then drag it over Remove. To add a widget, press and hold on your home screen, then tap on Widgets. And then you can choose a widget from Suggestions or from different other apps. When you choose the widget you want to add, press and hold on it, then add it to your home screen. You can also resize it if you want. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.